Hi guys, welcome back to Noun is an update. Today I'll be showing you how to print your statement of results. So people don't know how to print their statement of results. Irrespective of the level that you are, you can actually print your statement of results. Either you are in 100 level second semester, 200 level, 300 level, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can print your statement of results. First thing you need to do is to visit this support portal support.nou.edu.ng. That is the URL that you're going to visit. So after that, once you click on it, it's going to take you to this home page like this. It's going to take you to this page where you're going to see this is the home page of the portal. So it's going to take you to this page like this. Then second thing you need to do is to click on login. See, it's my cursor. Once you click on login like this, you're going to click on login like this. So you put your matric number and your password. Let's say your matric number like this. You're going to put your matric number and your password. You can either put it as your Gmail, as your matric number Gmail, and the password that you are using. So once you put that through, then what you need to do is to once you put this, you're going to click on login. And it's going to take you to home page. If you want to take it to the home page, you click on statement of results on the home page, and it's going to take you to this page. So it's going to take you to this page. In this page now, you're going to see all your courses. It's going to see your statement of results, the program, your matric number, center, the level that you are, the entry level you come in with, either direct entry or starting from 100 level. Then the other things that you're going to see your performance standing. You're going to see your grade statistics. You see your current class of degree, first class, second, third. So and also you can see units requires of you. So you're going to see all this. Everything is going to be listed there. This is just like an example of how you're going to be doing this. Then the next thing you're going to also check is you're going to see a statistic which is A, B, C, D, F grade. So you're going to see all this as well as you progress from this channel. Then after that, what you need to do is for you to after you've checked your statement, you will see all your results from 100 level. It's going to show you in this place. It's going to be long. It's going to show you from 100 level to date. You don't need to do much. You just have to just come to this export as PDF. Once you click on export as PDF, it's going to export it to your browser, or you click on print. If that one doesn't work, you click on print like this. So then make sure that this destination is very important. You change it to save as PDF so that you can save as PDF to your device or anywhere. Once you click on it, you can click on save and name it anything you want to name it. So your statement of result is already printed and you have it with you. That's just simple as that. It has more than one page, so you can have more than one page of your statement of result. So just as simple as that. So I hope this videos help. If you have any question or any inquiry, kindly drop it on the comment section. We're going to look at it and find a way to answer you, or you want us to do a video on something, definitely we're going to make sure we check it out and see how we can work with that. Then if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. See you guys later. Bye.